Hello, answering some more Domo questions. This question is from Damon. And Damon says, I'm not sure why I'm having such a hard time with this, but my brain is not putting the logic together very well. I'm trying to create a calculated field where we're adding the total loan counts from first and second mortgages by date. Right now we have them split. I'm trying to figure out the function. Not sure what's going on. Okay, so here's the reason I actually just answered this in another video is we see here October 1st, 2022, first mortgage, second mortgage, and we have this split out. You're not going to be able to add these two numbers if this first mortgage is in the way, because how SQL works is that everything has to be on one row for you to add a number. You can only add a row to a number that's also in that row, right? So it's not really going to work this way. Let's do an example. So I'm going to go to one of my dummy data sets right here, mock data, open with analyzer. Let's do a table version. I got dates in here. Sure, let's do it by month too to make our lives easier. I got dates. I'm going to put portfolio company. That's going to be like similar to your first mortgage, second mortgage, but it's just company A, B, or C for me. And I'm going to put in, I don't know, I'm just going to put in like revenue or something, whatever. And I'll put a sum of it. Cool. And let's make this easier too. Let's go say, oh, show me the previous last 3 months. 3 months. And let's graph it by a month to make our lives a little bit easier. Okay, so check it out, right? I got October, November, September 2022. I got A, B, C, blah, 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 blah. And also, I'm going to make it also easier by doing it this way. Oops, and portfolio company there and right there. And let's take this count off right there. Okay, perfect. September, A, B, C, D, October, A, B, C, D, November, A, B, C, D. So if I want to add these two, I can't do it if portfolio company is in the way. If I want to say, hey, I just want to know all of September, not going to work if that's there. You do have some tricks you could do. You could do a subtotal. If I do subtotal and hit like that, now I can get my, and I'll make that a different color for you. Let's do hide counts. I don't care about that. Let's do the fill color to be this gray color. Cool. So now I can add my total for that date if that's what I'm looking for. Sure, easy, done. But if you really just want to put it all on one line, you're going to have to get rid of this portfolio, or mine is portfolio company, yours is first mortgage. And then finally, it's now on one line. So that's your hindrance blocking you. But let's say you're thinking, oh, I do need it though, split out, because I want to know the percentage of first mortgage, second mortgage by date for how much did that allocate? How much did first mortgage and second mortgage allocate for the total in that month? Let's say you want to know that, right? So this is not going to be as helpful. So that's where we have to use our group by trick. I'm going to do this, save and close. We'll just keep that for a little bit. I'm going to go here, boom, ETL. Let's make a group by. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to call this real quickly business dashboard. Dudes, my source is a Google sheet, and I'm going to say dummy data group by whatever. Group by. Okay, awesome. So here we go. Dummy data. So what I would suggest you do then is you're going to do the same trick I just showed somebody else. We are going to aggregate this. Okay, first I'm going to do something to my data set. I'm going to round everything to a month because I don't want to deal with the dates even right now. Month, year, date. I'm going to write this little nifty formula. If you want access to this, if you send me your email, I will give you a page where I have all my formulas that I have written down. So I just know how to do these from memory, but I have it. Give me the year. Give me 1 second. Give me the year of the date. Cool. Give me the month of the date. Oops, my fault. Give me the month of the date. Cool. And then go give me a 1. So all this is doing is this is rounding dates, my fault, to their month. So it's saying October 31st is actually October 1st, stuff like that. Cool. Concat all that stuff and go cast it as a date. Cool. Anyway, so I just did that, and I'm going to do another one here called proxy. I don't think I'm going to need to do this trick, but I have it there. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here, add a group by, and it's going to ask, well, what are you grouping it by? And here's where I would say by the month, year, date. Awesome. And I just want to know my sum. So I'm going to say, go give me revenue, sum it, total revenue. I don't, whatever you want. Beautiful. Okay. So now what I am going to do, I have that revenue in there by month, year, date. I'm just thinking out loud about something. Do I need the proxy because I have it for the month? I think I might need to do that. Okay, cool. Sorry, my mind is just going. Okay, so now what I would do a join, and we're going to join on a couple things. By the month, year, date. Right. Okay, cool. Left. Month, year, date. Okay, I got to move my stupid face out of the way. Let's go here. Add formula, group by month, year, date. We're going to join on both the month, year, date to month, year, date, because the reason why I want to know the total, I need kind of that constant in here. This is why I'm doing this, because I need it to be on that one row like I had mentioned previously. So I'm going to run this preview, and I'm actually going to make our life easier. I'm going to pick month, year, date. Cool. So let's see in this preview, right? I got all my stuff originally. I have my month, year, date on the end over here. Cool. Proxy, and there's my total revenue for that month, year. Okay, awesome. So what I'm going to do is, give me a second. I'm thinking I'm doing this wrong, actually. I think that this, let's do this piece. I think I need another group by here. I'm just going to make it easier on myself. So we're going to do month, year, date by the company, or mine is called portfolio company, and then we're going to do revenue. Okay, face is in the way. And then we're going to do revenue there. Month, year, date revenue, sum, and we're going to say revenue, total revenue by company. Cool. Okay, this feels right. So here, what I'm going to join now is we're doing group by one to a group by. Cool. Month, year, date to month, year, date. Yep, that looks good. And here, I'm going to put in my month, year, date, my portfolio company, my total revenue for that company, and then just total revenue for that month. I should probably change that wording. I think this is what we need. Let's go here. And let's take you, put that right there. Let's go run a preview. Let's see this what we want. All right. All right, moment of truth. So we have month, year, dates. We have by the company. We have the total amount of for that month. Sure, by the company. Sure, whatever. Total amount for the month. Okay, cool. Now let's go have some fun with it. So I'm going to run that off. And then, okay, cool. So now what I can do with this, let's go open this up. Let's go here. Month, year, date, beautiful company, portfolio companies right there. Let's go. Let's pick on also just like the last 3 months again. I don't really want to look at more than that. It's too much for my little brain to handle. Okay, so we got September, October, November. Beautiful. Boom, boom, there. Put you right there. Oops, I am an idiot. I don't want the count. And we got another portfolio company right there. Okay, total by company, and let's do a sum. That's what I want. 57, 2862. So something's wrong on this one. Total by revenue by company. Because I did it on the month. Oh, because I just put in the same thing twice. Because again, being an idiot. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Okay, cool. Hey, so look what we did here. Check this out. Just like your example, you had all these months in here. We're not going to be able to sum these. You could put your subtotal, and sure, you can get for the month of September, what's my total, which is this 1345 number, right? But you can't sum left and right because they're not on the same row. So our little group by trick, it allowed me to get, well, what's the total for that month, which is right here. So that's one way. If you're just looking for the sum, you're done, right? But having it placed on the left and right side now allows you to do a percentage if you want to do a percentage by the company. So we could say company percentage by month. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to say, go give me the sum of the total revenue by company, beautiful, divided by the sum of total revenue. Let's hit validate. Green is good. And I slot that in. There we go. Boom, percentage. Let's put on 2 decimal places for it. Actually, it's not. That looks too overwhelming. But now I know for that 1 month, here's my distribution, 20, 21, 26, 33, because now I have the numbers left and right of each other. And hey, if we want to amp it up a little bit, I'm going to go to colors heat map. And I am going to, let's just put it on the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, my 5th column. Cool. So now I can see that, hey, company D, again, this is fake random data, is my biggest contributor to revenue for the month of September. And then company C is my biggest contributor for the month of November. Anyway, little tricks here and there. Hopefully that helps you out. Let me know. Good luck to you. Bye.